Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from one Binance to another Binance account. First of all, what you have to do is go to Binance account which you want to send the USDT to. So basically the receiving account, or if you want to go ahead and send USDT to somebody else, you need to go and ask them to go to their Binance account and go and get USDT address, because that's what we need to go and send it the address. Just to reiterate one more time, you need to go to the Binance account which you are depositing the USDT to. So go to the top right and go and click on deposit, or alternatively tap on wallet, then overview, and then what you can do is also go to the top right here and go on press and deposit as well. Then once you go and tap on deposit, you then need to go and click on crypto deposit like this and wait for it to load. And then what we need to do is go and select the coin, go and search for it just like this, and then go and click on it under the coin list. Now what's really important is we go and select correct network. So go and tap on the select network like this, and then we've got quite a few to go and choose from. So when it comes to the network, this is basically how we are sending the crypto on. So what's important is that when you go and select, for example, the BSC network like I'm going to do now, what's really important is that we go and send it in a moment. We are also sending it on the BSC network. I will show you how to do that in just a moment. So now what we need to do is go and copy this deposit address and just come over to the right click and click to copy like this. So now that we've gone and got the address, we can now go to the account which you want to go and send the USDT from. Just log in your another account, go to the top right and tap on this wallet like this, and just go and tap on overview. Once it's load, click on feed and spot under my assets, just the sort of right of it, and then as you can see here, it is here are my assets. So find the assets, it should be USDT, and then we need to go and withdraw it from this account and deposit onto other. Now go to the action column and click on withdraw like this, and then it will be taken to this page right here. As you can see, we've got a few sort of security things. I'm just going to go and press got it. What you need to do is paste the address you want to go and send it to, which we just copied from the other account, and now paste it here. What's really important is we go and select the correct network. So go and click on network like this. We can see all of our options. So earlier, as I said, I went and select the BNP Smart Chain and click on again like this. Now click on yes, I'm sure like this, and there we go. What you can do is choose the amount you want to go and send, select the amount, scroll down, and if you are sure, you can then go and click on withdraw, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.